Introducing the SZ-280 packaging machine, designed for medium and large-sized packaging of solid and regular objects. It has a packing speed of 25 to 120 bags per minute and is compatible with various packaging film types including OPP, PDC, PE, OPP/CPP, PT/PE, KOP/CPP, etc. The maximum package height is 80/110 mm and the maximum package width is 200 mm. The film size ranges from 200 to 600 mm. It has a 220V 50Hz power supply with a general power of 4.7 kW. The SZ-280 is compact, easy to operate and maintain, making it suitable for high-volume production of various solid and regular objects such as dumplings, wonton, quick frozen food, seafood, steamed buns, pancakes, croissants, hamburgers, bread, and other solid foods.